Lang siguro yung kaisa-isa dong nagde-deliver para sa cabinet ni BBM.
Hindi alam ng isang bobo na bobo siya. Kaya madalas sila pa yung malakas ang loob magsalita, confident, opinionated, pero kulang sa self-awareness. Kung gusto mong malaman kung matalino ka talaga, tanungin mo muna sarili mo. Marunong ba akong makinig? Marunong ba akong umamin kapag mali ako? Marunong ba akong magpigil kasi gusto kong sumagot? Kasi minsan hindi mo kailangan patunayan na tama ka. Lalo na kung kausap mo, sarado ang isip. Wala kang mapapala o makikipagtalo sa taong hindi marunong makinig. Kaya next time na may makita kang maingay, mapanlait at sobrang bilib sa sarili, tandaan mo ang tao kasing totoong matalino, hindi kailangang sumigaw para marinig. Tahimik lang yan kasi alam niya ang ingay madalas galing sa kawalan. Ang bobo, hindi niya alam na bobo siya kasi wala siyang panahon para magtanong. Abala siya sa pagiging tama.
Making your enemies angry, you're doing a good job. If you haven't made any enemies, you haven't done anything.
You ever been in a moment like this? The feeling that your every move is being watched, judged, or even threatened? We all have enemies in some form, whether it's a colleague, a competitor, or even someone who just can't stand seeing you succeed. But here's the truth. The most powerful weapon you have in these moments isn't your words, your fists, or your anger. It's the ability to stay calm, stay still, and let your presence do all the talking. Imagine this. You walk into a room and suddenly people start paying attention. Not because of what you say, but because of who you are. Today, let's talk about how to make your enemies fear you without saying a single word. No tricks, no gimmicks. Just the ancient wisdom of Stoicism that's been helping people command respect for centuries. Let's get into one. Unshakable calm in the face of adversity. 2. The ability to walk away without looking back. 3. The fearless eye contact. 4. The unpredictability factor. 5. The ability to adapt.